In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to play Please Donate on Roblox. You're first going to need to navigate to your actual Roblox website, where you can actually then go into Create. Once you see this, you want to click Manage My Experiences. Moving forward, you can actually click onto your experience and then click Associated Items. In order to play Please Donate, you actually need to have these associated items so that you can actually get donations. Once you're navigated here, you're actually going to move forward to passes, and you're going to create a pass. You're then going to name it. I'm going to just name it Please, and you also have to upload an image. Once you have that image uploaded, you can then create your pass. Once you do that, you're actually going to click it once again and click on Sales. You need to put the item up for sale and put any price in Robux you want. Keep in mind that you're only going to get 70% of this, so I'm going to place it as $30. Sorry, 30 Robux. You're then going to save the changes, and just like that, you're going to be able to go back into your game, reconnect, and then within a little bit of time, you're going to be able to actually claim a stand and be able to play Please Donate. If you walk up to any stand that is unclaimed, click it, press E to claim it, and you have done so. Once you actually get your pass to load up, it'll show up on here and you can add any text you want as well. If you click E to edit, you'll be able to edit Please, as that is my name for my item. That's all for you guys today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.